Hi, I'm Gianna and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing an old Hollywood glamour wave hair tutorial. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, just keep watching and please subscribe for more videos. So with Hollywood glamour waves, I'm going to show you a really easy way to achieve this. This is going to be great for events, for weddings, for proms. So I'm definitely doing a more wearable version of this. I don't want this to look super costume or too overdone, but we definitely want some really beautiful waves. We want a little volume. So the easiest way to do this, I like to use a curling wand. I'm using a 1 1/4 inch. It's the Numi 3-in-1 wand. So I am going to start by just sectioning my hair. It's about 2 days dirty, which is great when you are, you want maximum texture and volume. Just, have it be a day or two dirty. And I have a little dry shampoo in here. I have some hairspray just kind of sprayed through and brushed out just to give me a little bit of heat protection. So I am going in and I'm sectioning my hair. So I normally part my hair on this side, on the left, but today I am going to part it this way so that I'll get more volume in the front. So if you ever have problems with getting some volume in the front, part it the opposite direction and it's definitely going to give you more lift. So I'm going to part it on my opposite side today, and I'm going in and I'm going to section my hair. So just section out the front for now to get it out of the way. So this is super easy too because you're curling everything in the same direction. So I want this all to flow away from the face and this to come toward. So I'm just curling everything this way. So I will show you exactly what I mean. But I'm going to take, I don't know, about 2-inch sections across. Just gonna clip my hair out of the way. So I'm going to take a piece of hair about the size of the curling one. So I'm curling everything this way. So you also want to wrap the piece of hair around the iron flat. You don't want to twist it as you wrap it. So see, you get a nice bouncy curl. So again, I'm taking another piece of hair about the size of the iron, and I'm going to wrap it flat around the barrel. And then I'm going to just catch the hair as it falls off the iron just so it can cool. So I'm going to switch hands just so I can reach, but again, bringing everything this way. So on your lighter side, you want everything to go away from your face, and your heavier side, which means, where you have more hair, you want that to come toward the face. So you have that nice wave framing. And depending on your hair type, if it's a little harder to curl, you can hold it a little longer. If it curls pretty quickly, you can hold it a little less time. My hair curls pretty quickly because it's very fine, so I don't hold it for too long. So So again, going in and sectioning my next section about 2 inches wide. Definitely one of our most requested styles for brides. A lot of brides love just a good glamour wave. If they like to wear their hair down, not everyone likes to wear their hair up. So this is an awesome option if you want your hair to look more, you know, bridal or fancier for an event rather than your typical beach wave. It just looks a lot more formal. Curled. So now I have to brush it out and shape everything, and I'm probably going to tease a little bit in the front just to give a little more height. So I'm just going to take a paddle brush and just brush through everything. And that's really going to bring that wave together. I'm going to use a little bit of a lightweight hairspray. So you really just want to brush everything through and kind of like join all of those waves together so they start forming just a soft wave. kind of that shape. See how everything on this side is going toward my face and then everything's going away from my face on this side. So that's gonna give you, you know, that very vintage look. Some people will tuck behind the ear. You can just leave it out if you want. You could pin to give it a little more of that dramatic look. So I'm just going in with a little bit of a volumizing powder just through this top section. Just gonna kind of work that into the root. This is the Puff Me powder by Design Me. This just gives you a lot of lift and texture. So I'm just spraying, or just kind of like putting this through the ends as well, so it'll just kind of keep all the waves together and having a nice grip. You really want to give this front some nice lift so that that weave looks more dramatic. So like I said, this is definitely a softer, more wearable version. I didn't want to do anything too tight to the head or the waves too tight. It just looks a little softer and more modern. So now I am going in with a little bit of a stronger hairspray, just to give me more hold. And this is the final look for my Old Hollywood Glamour Waves tutorial. If you would like to leave a comment or question below, I'd love to hear from you, and keep watching for more hair tutorials. P.S. If you live in the Philadelphia area and would like to make a hair or makeup appointment with me, my salon's contact info is in the description box below.